What's up guys, Roy Powers with IGN News, and boy do I have a story for you today. A Brazilian bodybuilder's arms began to turn to rock as he injected his muscles with toxins in an attempt to look like the Hulk. Unsurprisingly, this did not end well. 25-year-old Romero dos Santos Alves first began injecting himself with synthol, a mix of alcohol and oil, 3 years ago to make his muscles appear larger. He soon grew addicted, with his biceps eventually growing to 25 inches. However, toxins in the fillers began to cause him constant pain and health issues. I remember the doctor told me that they would need to amputate both arms, he told the Daily Mail. They said everything in there, all my muscles, were rock. Now luckily doctors were able to remove some of the rocks that had formed in his arms instead. And though he still has an unmistakably huge physique, much like myself, Alves has managed to stay clean for 2 years. If you want to get your Hulk fix, instead of becoming a human Johnny Bravo, why not go see Avengers Age of Ultron, which is out in cinemas right now.